Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Claude app not opening on iPhone. So if the Claude app isn't opening on your iPhone, try these fixes. So first is to force close Claude. So swipe up from the bottom of the screen, find Claude and swipe it up to close it. Then open the app again and see if that fixed the issue. Next is to go to your settings, scroll down and go to general. Scroll down and go to Software Update and install any available iOS update. Once updated, go ahead and open Claude and see if that fixed the issue. Next is to offload the Claude app. So go to your settings, scroll down, go to General, scroll down, then go to iPhone storage. So once you're here, scroll down and look for Claude app. If you can't see it, click Show All, then look for Claude and open it. Next, tap Offload App. So a confirmation will appear. Tap Offload App again to confirm the action. Once Reinstall App appears, go ahead and click that. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So reinstalling the app will place back your data, then just give it a minute to finish it. So once done, go ahead and open Claude again and see if that fixed the issue. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.